How to send one-time view picture on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you can simply open the chat where you want to send the photo. And now here, once you're inside, then you can simply tap on the camera icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the camera section. Now from here, you can either tap on the photos icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen, and from there you can simply choose the photo, or you can simply tap on the camera icon to take a photo from here. And here, once you're done choosing or clicking a photo, then there at the bottom left side there you can see the option labeled as off with little one on it. So there you can just tap on it, and once you tap on it once, then the view once option will be enabled. And here, once you're done enabling the one-time view options, then what you can do is just tap on send to send the photo to that particular person. And that's it. That's how you can send one-time view pictures on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.